Hello everyone, this is Pooja, an associate of IndyMedi Solutions. Today, I'll demonstrate consultation process to be adopted by the doctors while managing hospital through the system. Start with selecting hospital module from the header row. Click on appointment menu from the list on the left hand side of your screen. You will get the list of scheduled appointments on your screen marked in red. Click on the name of the patient to be consulted and change the status from waiting to in consultation. Then click on edit. Here you will see that the fields like patient, date, institution, department, doctor, duration, urgency level, hospitalization, consultation type, and consultation service are fetched automatically. Now, fill the right chief complaint and history of present illness what patient says at the respective text box. Here, you can see that the doctor has mentioned chief complaints and history of the present illness. Now, go to the clinical assessment and further to general examination tab and fill the vitals like weight, temperature, heart rate and the rest. Completing clinical details, go to the systemic examination tab and fill the details like per abdominal, external genitals, PR examination, PV examination, RS, CVS, CNS, back spine, peripheral pulsation, and notes at the respective text box. Here, you will see that the doctor has filled all the details. Now, move to the Investigation tab and fill the details of investigation carried out for blood test, radiology, and other laboratory tests at respective field. Doctor has filled all the details here. Now, we come to the next tab, which is DD and Advice. It is about differential diagnosis and medical advices. After filling the details, click on Save. Go to Print, select Consultation Report and get the print. If doctor requires any laboratory report, then click on the Investigation and click on Edit. Here, in Investigation, application will capture automatically patient's name, doctor's name, appointment ID, and name of the institution. At Laboratory field, you just select from the drop-down menu Pathology or Radiology. To select Pathology Test, click on Add an item, select Test from the drop-down menu or directly write the test. And the price is here. Any specific instruction to be given to the laboratory technician can be written here by the doctor. Any specific note can also be written here by the doctor. After filling pathology test, now save it. Submit the request. Now click on Print, select Laboratory Prescription. And here is the lab prescription. By clicking on the appointment number, doctor can write a prescription by clicking on the Prescription tab. Basic fields got fetched automatically. By clicking on Add an item, you can add various details here like medicine name, active component, substitute, frequency, number of days and quantity. After prescribing medicine, save it and confirm it. Now, click on Print and select Prescription Order and get the print. Here is the print created. After prescribing medicines, click on Appointment Number and then on Done. So now you will see that the stage has changed from in consultation to done. Once the patient's consultation is over, doctor can get complete consultation report by clicking on Print and selecting Consultation Report from there. This is a comprehensive report which includes patient's complaints and history of present illness, diagnosis, advices, pathology investigations, and medicines prescribed.